Hello, welcome back to my channel. In today's vlog, we are going to talk about a very important life skill: how to improve your conversation skill. Good conversation skills are not only useful for English speaking but also for confidence, personality, career growth, and relationship. Many people know word, many people have knowledge, but they still struggle to express themselves clearly. If you also feel nervous while talking or don't know what to say in conversation, this blog is for you. First of all, understand one simple thing: conversation is not about speaking too much, it is about connecting with the other person. A good conversation means both people feel comfortable, understood, and interested. You don't need perfect English or big vocabulary to be a good conversationalist. You need clarity, confidence, and practice. This the first step to improving your conversation skill is changing your mindset. Many people think I am bad at conversation or I don't know what to say. This negative thinking blocks growth. From today, tell you yourself, I am learning to communicate better every day. When your mindset improve, your conversation skill also improve. The second step is learn to listen properly. Conversation is a two-way process. Many people focus only on speaking and forget listening. Good listener become good speaker automatically. When someone is talking, listen carefully. Don't interrupt. Don't think about your reply while the other person is speaking. Understand their word, emotions, and experiences. When you listen well, your response become natural. The third step is start with simple conversation. Don't try to be perfect from day one. Start small. Talk about daily topics like weather, work, food, routine, or hobbies. Simple topic reduce pressure and help you speak comfortably. For example, you can say today is very hot or I had a busy day at work. Simple conversation builds confidence. The fourth step is ask question. This is one of the easiest way to keep a conversation going. If you don't know what to say, ask a question. People love to talk about themselves. Ask simple question like, what do you do? How was your day? What do you like to do in free time? Asking questions show interest and keeps the conversation alive. The fifth step is use simple and clear language. Many learners think they need big words to sound smart. This is not true. Clear communication is more important than advanced vocabulary. Speak short and clear sentences. Avoid overthinking grammar. Focus on expressing your idea clearly. Simple language make conversation smooth and natural. The sixth step is improve your body language. Conversation is not only about word. Your body language speaks a lot. Maintain eyes contact, smile naturally, and keep your posture relaxed. Avoid crossing your arms or looking at the ground. Positive body language make the other person feel comfortable and interested in talking to you. The seventh step is practice speaking daily. Conversation skill improve only with practice. Speak every day even if it is for a few minutes. Talk to friend, family member, colleagues, or even yourself. Self-talk is a powerful method. Talk about your day, your thought, or your plans. Daily practice reduce hesitation and fear. The eighth step is don't be afraid of silence. Many people panic when there is a small pause in conversation. Silence is normal. You don't need to fill every second with words. Take a moment to think and then speak. Claim pause make your conversation look confident, not weak. The ninth step is work on pronunciation and clarity. You don't need a foreign accent, but your words should be clear. Speak slowly and clearly. Practice pronunciation of common words. Listen to English videos and repeat sentences aloud. Clear speech help the listener understand you easily, which improve conversation quality. The 10th step is learn common conversation phrases. Conversation become easier when you know ready phrases. Learn expressions like I see, that's interesting, I agree with you, you can explain more, and what do you think. These phrases help you respond naturally and confidently. The 11th step is control nervousness. Feeling nervous is normal, especially in the beginning. Take a deep breath before speaking. Speak slowly, don't rush your words. Remember, the other person is also human, not a judge. The more you speak, the less nervous you feel. The 12th step is accept mistake prosperity. Mistakes are part of learning. If you say something wrong, don't stop talking. Correct yourself and move on. Confidence is not about speaking perfectly. It is about speaking without fear. Every mistake make you better. The 13th step is observe good communication. Watch people who speak well. Observe how they start conversation, how they listen, and how they respond. You can learn a lot by observing interviews, podcasts, or real life conversation. Copy good habit and use them in your conversation. The 14th step is be consistent. Conversation skill does not improve in one day. You need regular practice. Even 10 to 15 minutes of daily speaking can bring big environment over time. Consistency build confidence and fluency. Also remember, never compare yourself with other. Everyone has a different personality and learning speed. Focus on your own improvement. Even small progress matter. Speaking one extra sentences confidently is a success. Always remember this line. Good conversation is about comfort, not perfection. Be yourself, be honest, be interested in the other person. When you enjoy the conversation, the other person will also enjoy it. Before ending this blog, I want to motivate you. Conversation skill is a learnable skill. Anyone can improve it with practice, patience, and the right approach. Don't stay silent because of fear. Speak, connect, and grow. Thank you so much for watching this blog. Keep practice and keep communicating, and remember, your conversation skill will improve day by day. Goodbye and take care.